sometimes in my tears I drown, but I'm never gonna let me down.
Kami na!
How come all the Jello boxes are open?
Because I...
Good morning, Philippines!
Good morning! Good morning, guys! Today is Monday. Hi! Alisin natin ito kasi ito yung mga ginagamit ko sa pag-film dito. May mga nilagay-lagay ako sa table. Ngayon, magla-live ako sa YouTube sa mga nagpapa-shoutout. At saka pasensya na talaga kapag late yung mga shoutout ko. Ini-screenshot ko silang lahat. My little man. How little bug? Bug, where are you going? Hub! Hub! Come here! Tingnan niyo. Mami! Josh! Yung baby! Josh! Hey, Bug! Okay, Miss Vlog. Yun yung mga channel nila, guys. Hello po, guys. Nagla-live po muna ako ngayon. At yung nakikita ninyo is yung mga taong nagko-comment sa vlog ko. And hi na ninyo yung mga sarili ninyo dyan. Hello po sa inyo, guys. Love kan talaga ng honey mo. Oo po, sis. As in, very thankful talaga ako sa asawa ko. Pa-shout out. Sige, may mumu talaga dyan. Silingan! Katatapos ko lang nag-live. Yes, guys. Tapos na. And nalubat yung ano ko. Yung laptop ko. Kalubat. Talaga. Yun ang obserbahan ko sa ano ko. Sa laptop ko. Yung kasi palagi ko na siyang sinacharge. Kapag sinacharge mo siya palagi yung laptop mo. And then, palagi na lang nagdepende sa pag-charge mo palagi. Sa kapag ina-unplug mo siya, parang madali siyang nalubat. And yun talaga yung pinakaayaw ko. So ngayon, nangyari talaga. I-charge ko yung cellphone ko, guys, kasi dead na dead. Yun ang pinakaano kayo ni Tami sa akin ba, palagi daw patay lahat. Hi, guys. Nag-try akong mag-record, hindi ko gusto. So, stop muna tayo, kakain tayo. Nawalan ako ng gana. Nawalan ako ng gana, guys. Nawalan ako ng gana. We're gonna call Dada. I don't know where's Dada. Dada. Kakain ako, guys. I don't know kung ano yung kakainin ko, pero kain muna tayo. Magluto muna ako ng rice, guys. Kaluka, guys. So, natapos pala kagabi. Nakalimutan ko. Nag-isip-isip ako kagabi. Magluto ako ng rice. Walang rice, Rox. Mama, no rice. No rice, no rice. No rice, bad mood. Pag walang rice, bad mood, Mama Rox. Sardines yung inano ko, guys. Kainin ko. Na I'm dizzy right now. Honestly. Lipong na ako. Lipong. I'm dizzy. Ligo sardines, iba. Initin lang konti, and then yun. Lagyan ko yan ng sili, guys. Yung sarap nito. Isa na lang yung natira, nabilin. Hindi talaga ako mabuhay pag walang rice, guys. Ewan ko, para ako matrula lang. Ang hang. Nilagyan ko kasi ng sili. Matrula lang ako kapag walang walang rice. Alam nyo, kahit manghang, sarap nito. Ang nilagay ko pala dito is soy. Konting soy. Gusto kong may lemon, kaso lagyan natin.
Magkuhan ako. Makita ko sa kong kuhan. Kung mga sinan, madiscover niya ako ba? Dalo biya ka natin mga hidden talent.
Wow! Yes, Jose, yes.
Beridan, anak kas kamera.
Ayaw yung ko itagpay kay patay yung tana pa Patay yung tana. Kabalo na ka.
Hi, subscribers.
Kakaon mo ko Basta usap po nis pinaypay po doon.
Salamat.
Ayaw mo pag-istorya po.
Tara, si cute. Si cute.
Uy, ginoo ko. Ha? Again?
Yun ako kay Matay. Parka perfect yun na yung naungan eh.
Diba? Talaga para malingaw ko. Goal ko.
Mo na maglingawan? Saan may naungan eh? Joker na? Joker na eh? Perfect ka rin naungan eh? Naungan akong lips to.
Kapulat.
Pula-pula. Ang ilong. Mas taas pa. Isa kang kuwan. Ano na may padayon kay... Sana.
Buang ano, makit ay.
Ano na, magsamin sa amin pa yun.
Nga na, dahil kang sa amin, dahil tanawa na lang.
Let's go.
Lang, tanawa lang.
You drive.
Buang ano, makit ay. Hala, pinapahid, paswait. Niya, butang na nito sa eyebrow. Buang ano, makit ay.
Marang buka ng tawa. Sus, kaya dyan ako nanayon ako bungot ba? Ready for your touching, baby. Time is it, Lord.
Ako tere sa balay.
What na mukit-kit.
Pagtugay-tugay.
What na mukit-kit.
Ito na guys, nagluluto na po ako dito. Tignan niyo to sila. Nakatingin lang sila sa akin. Hindi nila ako nakita guys, nag-vlog.
Kami sa mga vlog nila sa vlog ni ano ni MaryAnn.
Yan,
Baka makita ko ng ano ko eh.
hindi nila ako nakita. So yun, you guys watch me. This is how you vlog, okay? Okay, this is how you vlog. Merida, you have to learn. What? Okay guys, I'm cooking right now guys, meatballs here. Oh my god, ang aso-aso. Yan, nagluluto ako guys, yan. Iwan ko, nawalan kami ng kuryente eh. And
Ano oras sa dyan kay?
kanina nawala yung kuryente kaya nawala yun sa ano, yung laro ko. Ha? Ano? What?
Sa oras sa daday?
Nawala ang kuryente lagi, nangausab ang kanang angkuan. Naunsa naman tao ni si Kayotik, eh.
Basta gusto nila madungog akong
Sige na, kanta.
pagkaon, may tagnaong yun.
Oo, Jud.
Sige, kanta.
Oh. 1, 2. Sometimes I lay under the moon and thank God I'm breathing. Wow. Then I pray don't take me soon, cause I'm here for a reason. Sometimes in my tears I drown, but I'm never gonna let me down. So when nigga someday it'll all turn around because all my life
I've been waiting for.
Ang naong ni
waiting for the people to stay, that we don't wanna fight no more. There will be no wars, and our
And the children will play. One day.
One day, in this maze, you can lose your way.
Yala. Muna guys, ganyan yan sila guys. Mga loko-lokong mga kasama. Kulo-kulo. Mga, mga kulo-kulo kong kasama. Kulo-kulo. Pag kimamahag, andin mo si Dada later, okay? Kimamahag. Tosh, I love you. Dasha. Dada will be here. Dada will be here, my love. Dada will be here. Dada. So, ito pala yung ano ko, yung niluluto ko kanina. Tapos na siya, guys. Masarap na siya, guys. Ang syrup niyan, guys. Ang syrup. I only add 1 can of tomato sauce. And yeah, tomato sauce. And nilagyan ko siya nito, asin at saka pepper, ground pepper, and also this one, Italian seasoning yan. Yes, you are. Yes, you are waiting for Dada Misty calls too. Who wants to see Dada? Hey, Ay, ginuukulod. Hala ka, Roxy. Uy, grabe man ka makakiat. Uy, but you have to wait. He'll be here very late. Late naman si Dada makapunta ba? Why you have to cry like that? You go get him. You go get him. Misty, you go get Dada. Do you wanna go get Dada? Punta na siya. Let's, you wanna go out this way? Dada will go out this way over there. Dada, do you wanna go get Dada? Misty, do you wanna go get Dada, my love? My love, love. Do you wanna go get a Dada? Bunsi, do you want some Bunsi, my love? Do you want? Oh, do you want some Bunsi? Oh, Lord, Ginoko, you're making noises. Oh. Bunsi? Because you eat your dinner, you good girl. You good. Tignan natin sila, guys, kung papasok ba. Tignan natin kung papasok ba yung mga yun. Do you want Bunsi? Oh, Bunsi ko, si Bunsi. Ang Bunsi, ayaw nilang pumasok. Ang Bunsi ko, ayaw nilang papasok. Ah, back. Go back. Go back. Go back. Go back. Bonsi. Agi Bonsi. Agi Bonsi. Agi Bonsi na, Bonsi. Baby na ako at ng Bonsi. Bonsi ko, sa Bonsi ko. Buntikos na buntikos. Galit na galit. Kami na. Ayaw ni Roxy pumasok. Ang buntikos na buntikos. Hoy, mama is sumin. Okay. Come na. Ang buntikos. Go back. Back. Go back. Roxy, back. Back. Buntikal na, buntikal. Ang galaga ka. Ang galaga ka. Excited. Oy, come here, Mitz. Ay, naku, kaloka talaga to sila, guys. Tignan nyo, guys. Tignan nyo. Tignan nyo. Hinawakan niya yung kamay ko. Let go. Let go. Let go. Let go. Hold on. Hold on. Misty is so smart. Misty knows. Where is it? Where? Where is it? La, where is it? La, gustong-gusto talaga to ni Roxy. Let go, let go. Let go. This is a cat toy. This is a cat toy. She like cat toy. Hala. Wala ka, ginoo ko. Akala mo lang yun, wala. Meron. Hello, ginoo. Roxy, oh, you're such a jumper. That's not a toy for you. That's a cat toy, okay? Let go. Let go na. Mama's, this is Mama's toy. You have to let go. Mama's toy. Mama's toy. Come here. Let go. Ala, pusgana, ala, pusgana, ala, give it to me. Oh na guys, oh my god, 8 o'clock na. I'm not sure, it's 7 something. At wala pa si Tammy guys. Colors. We have to turn that light on. Wala pa si Tammy. And malapit na daw siya dito. Katatapos ko lang tumawag sa kanya. And yeah. Oh my god. Sakit yung mata ko, as in sakit sa mga kalalaro, sa kaka-laptop. Allah, my back is itching. Please itch it, Roxy. Please come here. Itch my back. Oh my god. Whew, that was nice, Roxy. Uy, when you do that, it was nice. Oh, you stop it. It was nice. You itching my back. Itch. Oh, itch. Come. Come, itch my back. Itch my back. Itch my back. Itch my back, please. Nasuko, nagagalit naman iyan. Uy. Hello. Hello, Dada's here. It's been 2 weeks, guys. 2 weeks. Hindi nila nakita yung dada nila 2 weeks. Hello, Dada's here. Let's go get him. Let's go get him. 2 weeks. Didn't see you 2 weeks. Dada's here. Baby's happy. Dada's here, baby's happy. Yung TV guys, hindi mag-on after yung nawala yung kuryente kanina. So, yun. Oh, nilagay ko na pala yung pasta guys. At saka sa meatball sauce. At saka sa meatballs. And then, gagawa tayo ng salad. Mozzarella stick ba ito, Han? This is mozzarella stick, right? Yeah. Yeah. It's in the toaster right now. I don't eat this. Tammy eat this with the pasta. What time is it? The clock over here too. I cannot do it.
Are you kidding?
No, I can't. Han, I'm going to put this. I got this signature recipe croutons.
Pay attention.
Garlic. Okay.
Press clock. Okay? You see the clock like this?
Yeah.
And the end of the timer.
Oh no, I know how to do that there.
4.
I know how to do that. I know how to do that over there. Only in the oven. I don't know. I don't have a clue.
There you go.
Han, do you want me to put all these croutons in one bag? No, it's too much.
No,
Croutons.
you're supposed to keep some.
Yeah, give me a Ziploc bag. This is a
This
good
was
thing.
resealable.
Hala. Hala. Uy, so. Tignan niyo guys. Pagkalok-kalok ka ko talaga.
How come all the Jello boxes are open?
Because I put it. It's over there. It's over there. I don't mukbang it yet. I don't film it yet. Each of them.
You know, one box should have made more than one Jello.
I throw some. I only do for my filming. I know he's gonna look for the rest.
geez.
I knew it. I knew it.
What craziness.
Han,
Yeah.
69 cents.
Yeah, I know. It seems crazy to me.
Yeah, it's
I had the same ones, right? Cheese and garlic.
No.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, no, but no. Different.
Okay. Nice, I'll take one
Look,
to the house.
look, taste it. It's good. It's a good sausage. Oh, it's a good
Sauce. So I'll take one.
No, that's not the sauce. This one ba?
The meatball?
Meatballs, good. Good meatballs. You bring that in the house. No? Hello. Why you have to turn everything on, Han? No, Roxy doesn't like it, Han. Look. Mrs. behind you. Once she doesn't like it. Hala. Hala, there's a dog out there. No, don't let the dog out, ha? I heard something outside. Tapos na kaming kumain and kasi ito, ikaw, behave ka. Natakot tuloy si Bagtibag. Natakot tuloy yung Bagtibag ko. I need to bring this.
The ears are itchy. See, this is your...
What is that?
First one was before she was married. That's how he met her.
That's the baby.
That's
That's
right.
her.
That's her. Okay, so
That's her.
I'm thinking it's her baby, but no, it's her as a baby.
That's her. That's his daughter.
Yeah.
What are we watching? We're watching.
The original.
Guys, you're watching cartoons, guys. Like, holy cow. Tommy is in the cartoons.
Hotel Transylvania. It's cute for kids.
Hotel Transylvania,
Yeah.
Pennsylvania.
No, Pennsylvania.
Hotels Pennsylvania.
Transylvania.
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 Count Dracula came from Transylvania. Supposedly that was.
Oh, really?
Yes.
It's cute. He flies. She flies. Kita-kits tayo bukas. And yes, so I'm going to bed early kasi I'm sleepyhan. Good night, guys. Good night. Bye-bye. Thank you, guys. I-share po ninyo tong video, guys. And like this video if you like. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye. Good night, guys. Good night.